Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. Yes guys, so we have to go to the Amazon, and here in the Amazon there is a feature of Amazon, that is Amazon Pay. So we have to click on the three lines which is the bottom right side corner, and after that we have to click on the Amazon Pay, that is here, right? So just click on it, and after that we have to just go down and we have to search for gold wallet, right? So we will just go down here a little bit. Now we will click on the explore icon, so just click on this, and after that scroll a little bit, and here you can see that is digital gold, right? So here it is, and here you have to buy the gold, and after that you have to sell the gold, right? I will just show you. In fact, let me tell you that there is a no feature where you can transfer Amazon gift card to your balance account, right? To your bank account. So you have to convert it into a gold, then you have to sell it, and after that you can just transfer that money into your bank account, right? So here this is a buy feature. You have to enter the amount which is in your Amazon gift card, and after that you have to go to the sell gold, and here after buying the gold you will get the gold balance, and after that you have to sell it. So after selling it you will get the feature of you can transfer the balance to your bank account. So this is pretty easy guys. You have to just do the transaction, and in this way you will lose a little bit amount of money for the transaction cost, but after that it's a Amazon gift card and you will transfer your amount to your bank account, right? So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.